Hey, it's Speedy.
This is Leo.
And welcome to episode 8, which is the last episode of Miniso Pets.
I feel so excited.
Yes, Merry Christmas, first of all.
Yep.
Merry Christmas. And Santa got me a VR. It's a VR, dude. And Leo got a present too.
Yes, super cool.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, guys, so today we are building this flying bird again for some reason. But I think this is a good ending because I don't want to say this right now, but I'm not going to say it anyways.
This one could be meaningful.
Yeah, this one's actually quite meaningful.
As the end of this episode, this series.
Wait a second.
What?
Yeah, you just finished. Yeah.
Wait. This thing is floating. Yeah, I'm just gonna start it.
Yes, it's floating. So maybe not combine them together.
Okay, we have this.
You need to.
And then we need 1, 2. Oh, sorry guys, you guys can't see anything, right? Wait, where's the other one? Oh, it's on here. And then we need 2 blacks for each one.
2 blacks. And this one can combine them together.
Are you sure?
Oh no,
Wait,
this one.
No.
Not this one. This
Yes,
one.
that one. I need 2 more blacks. Okay, guys. So after this, I'm sorry, but like I can't make the VR videos because I don't know how to make videos in VR.
This one is fine.
No, but I need another dot
Yeah, that
though.
one's fine.
No, I need another dot because they're supposed to have 2 dots.
One.
I need another dot. Well, I need another
No,
black
just
dot.
one.
I need another. Oh, here.
Oh yeah.
Another one.
Why is it?
Yeah, I'm sure. And then we have this. And then. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but I'm not gonna make it on here because we're gonna have another platform. Move. Yeah. We're gonna have another platform. Okay, guys. Step 3, we'll have a platform. So this will have wait, we have entertainment.
Okay.
We've been using this so much, so guys, I'm kind of sorry. We are gonna do. Oh, look at this. What is that? Wait, do that. Okay, guys, we're not gonna have any platforms. Okay, Polywag, you can add them my place now.
It can open like this.
Cool, puppy. Nobody cares about your present right now.
It's not very nice.
I just heard something fall.
What is that?
It's something.
Oh, okay.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but we're gonna have another platform. So we're gonna do this. Oops, sorry. Okay, guys, so we're gonna have platform.
Yeah.
And we're gonna have entertainment. Okay, guys. I'm kind of sorry because like we have too much platforms. Right?
Yeah, we got too
Right,
much
Leo?
platform.
Because we already had like so much platforms.
I'm a little bit lost. Where are we?
We're on the back. No, we're not on the back yet. Yeah, I need this.
Okay.
Not on the back. Okay, we actually need entertainment. So you can have an owl from last episode.
Oh.
You guys can inspect it carefully. Wait. While we build this. Wait, we need this. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we need this and we need this.
I got say guys.
Dude, puppy, you're not even in the video.
I want to see that.
Your butt, what? Your butt?
It hurt.
No, it didn't.
She obviously
It's on.
Dude, what is that for? I didn't do anything wrong.
You did.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
The tails are just kind of hard. Okay, I'm just gonna do
on
this.
the top.
Oh my god. Benton.
Benton.
Wait, what? Well, I kind of don't get it.
Me too.
I'm kind of.
May I?
Lost.
Yeah, you may
We're
you.
kind of lost.
Oh, I know.
I think hard to
Ah, I'm actually really lost right now.
Me too.
You know what, guys? But I think we need more entertainment. So I think we might trim this part. Yeah, we're gonna trim this part. Maybe, not sure. Okay. Okay, this part is actually very like So it's this, right? We have this. And then we already have this. And then we have we need these two on the side. Not the inside, the outside.
Okay, guys, I'm Leo. I'm still here. I'm
Yes,
just completely
good.
lost. I think you still need the white one. White one. This should be here.
I'm actually kind of like, well, not lost, but oh my gosh, I'm not gonna. Do the next step, please. Oh, we need two of these.
Yeah.
Wait,
On the
what?
top.
No, not this one. We don't.
Yeah, on the top.
No, the top is not this one. It's two.
Ah, okay, sorry.
I'll take.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take this one off. No, I have this. Wait a sec. Wait, what? Wait a sec. Wait, drop. Oh, do the wings, please. Okay, guys. This is hard. We already
How-
wasted 7 minutes.
How
If
to
we have a
fix the
challenge.
wing?
The we will.
Oh my gosh.
Ah, don't break it.
I'm really trying to break it. This is actually really hard. Oh, we're not gonna do the legs right now.
Yes.
Okay,
Again,
we definitely have to trim this part.
Yeah, we spent
it's
8
the-
minutes.
It's the last step anyway for that part.
We
Yeah.
spent 8 minutes.
We do need the tail. Okay,
And
what else?
The wing. The wing over here.
Let's see.
The wing, the penguin,
Okay, you know
the
that.
penguin, penguin.
No, it's not there.
Almost
Wait,
all of the
Yeah, it's kind of weird how to fix.
Kenny.
Yeah.
It's almost all of the
Oh,
pets have yellow mouths.
Huh?
It's almost like the pets have yellow mouths.
No.
Almost all of them.
Okay.
I'm Leo, by the way.
I actually kind of don't get it. Oh, it's under. Oh, it's not this way. This way.
How to fix it on the body?
Where's
Yeah,
the
it says like
stickers?
this.
Yeah.
Where's the
No.
It's here.
Yes.
This one is wrong.
No, it's not wrong.
It's not
See,
clear.
look at this.
This one is correct. This is just not clear.
Yeah, that's not clear.
It's not
That's not clear.
attached to,
Where's the
to the body.
stickers for the eyeball?
I actually really don't know. Okay. Do a little bass right now.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Wait, are you sure? Okay.
Yeah, this one
Ow. Ow.
on the
Wow.
ball.
You step on my feet.
Why am I that hard?
Wait, what? Oh.
Ah,
Why am I that hard?
this one first.
Yeah.
Not
then-
even hard on 1 feet.
Ow.
Okay, 1 feet is hard to do.
Almost there. Oh, this one without the eye.
Yeah. Where's the eye?
I don't know. It's
We
not
need,
in the bag anyways.
we need imagination. Required the viewer.
Okay,
I
guys.
like
Okay,
when
we're
you
good.
do that.
Let me just
When
put
you
the
do
feet
that,
down.
you're like the Grinch.
Oh,
Dang it. No, it's just the tail. The tail's really hard to put. But yeah.
this is
Okay,
Leo's
guys.
hand.
Of course. Of course it's Leo's
You
hand,
don't
dude.
need to say that.
Sometimes you actually do.
No, you don't.
Ta-da!
We have our bald eagle.
And with no eyeballs.
Yeah,
Yes, with no eye. Use your imagination. Yeah.
really cool.
See?
Without the eye. Required imagination. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, thank you guys all so much for watching this.
Thank you, and it's a pleasure for me to join Speedy Boy's
videos
channel.
and
Yes.
channel. And after this video, we have our episode 2 of robotic building. Episode 2.
Again.
Okay, guys, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.